Hello and welcome back to Innovative Foods. Today we are making a spicy, tangy and absolutely delicious chili chicken manchurian. Let's start. Take 1 cup of chicken and season it with half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoon corn flour and 1 egg. Mix well and keep aside for 10 minutes. Did you know chili chicken manchurian is actually an Indian creation, not Chinese? This dish is often called the star of Indo-Chinese cuisine in restaurant. In some parts of India, people serve it as a street snack with toothpick instead of plate. Now in a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons chili sauce, 3 tablespoons tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon corn flour and a quarter cup water. Mix well. The combination of chili and soy sauce gives a unique flavor you can't get in traditional Chinese recipes. Fry the marinated chicken in medium-low heat for 8 to 10 minutes until golden and crisp. Always marinate the chicken for at least 10 minutes for better flavor. Fry on medium-low heat so the chicken cooks through without burning the coating. Using lean chicken breast can reduce fat content. Cornflour gives a crisp texture without adding too much oil. In a separate pan, heat 1 tablespoon oil, add 2 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilies and 2 red chilies. Fry on low heat until fragrant. Use fresh garlic for a richer aroma and taste. Pour in the prepared sauce and cook for 1 minute. If you like it extra spicy, add some chopped spring onion with the chilies. Add the fried chicken, toss well and cook for another minute. You can reduce the sugar to make it healthier without losing much taste. Garlic and chilies both help boost immunity and metabolism. And that's how simple it is to make chili chicken manchurian at home. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside and bursting with flavor. Try it out and surprise your family with a restaurant-style treat. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovative Foods. Tell me in the comments, would you like to see more Indo-Chinese dishes next?